My name is Vusi Ndala. I'm the co-founder and chief executive officer of SOLZEN Energy. We started the company in 2016. Its initial concept was, in essence, the design and conceptualization of energy storage that was more stationary than mobile. The green energy in its entirety is what attracted us to pivot from the original concept: electric vehicles, renewable energy, and energy storage within the existing utilities that are still producing their power through coal, thermal, and others, were the targeted market segments that we earmarked. And hence then we came up with a technology we pivoted into, which is the ultra capacitor, is known as the supercapacitor.
The ultra capacitor performs and competes with lithium-ion batteries. It's the first of its kind here in South Africa.
Everyone uses a cell phone, right? The reason why our cell phone works is because of one thing: the battery. And that is why when it reaches 5%, you become anxious, you quickly want to charge it. And what you're charging is that battery. Now, what we're doing here is equivalent to that little device that's in your cell phone.
But the difference is, with the ultra capacitor, you can charge your phone in 10 seconds. Our technology is different to any other technology that's out there in the ultra capacitor field. What we've done is redesign the whole concept of an ultra capacitor, from the electrodes to the electron storage layer and the electrolyte. We start with a single cell where we deposit our proprietary layer onto a foil, which then makes up an electrode. These electrodes are then formed into a pouch where many different layers will form an actual ultracapacitor. In an ultracapacitor there is no chemical reaction, and that means you do not have degradation of your cells. You can have unlimited cycles, charging and discharging, unlike a battery.
We have partnered with the University of the Western Cape. That is where part of our product is produced. We produce our electrodes. These electrodes are manufactured at the University of the Western Cape. And in putting together then the final product, the electrodes will be shipped to our next stakeholder, and that is the CSIR. They put together these electrodes to form a pouch cell, and that pouch cell is a prototype for what would then ultimately be our ultra capacitor modular unit.